morning, sir. My name is Clarence Gibson from Laguna State Polytechnic University. I'm an IT student. So, sir, can you tell me your name, your company's name, and your position in it?
I'm Christian Barion. Ang company ko is Lukusin, and then trabaho ko is telesales agent.
Okay, sir. So, I prepared some 5 questions, and can you tell me your feedback about it? So, the first question is, what inspired you to work in the Dokusen industry?
Inspired me. It's yung mga bonus sila doon, tsaka incentives. Kasi kailangan mo dahil sa trabaho para yung incentive mo na makuha mo.
Okay, sir. Thank you. What do you enjoy most about your current job?
Siguro yung yung group ng mga katrabaho mo.
Okay, thank you, sir. How does your company help the local community?
I just company of the local company. Siguro dahil sa pwede magtrabaho sa kanila kahit undergrad o kaya graduate, undergrad o kaya high school graduate.
Okay, sir. So, what advice do you have for a student like me who wants to succeed?
Mga advice ko lang is makikinig ka lang dati sa mga tinuturo sa'yo, and then i-advance mo yung mga pag-aaralan kasi mas madali yung mga bukas pag in-advance mo yung mga kailangan pag-aaralan.
Okay, sir. So, what challenges did you face when you started in the Dokusen industry, and how did you overcome them?
Bago pa lang kasi ako, syempre malang adjustment. Kaya pag-English, syempre hirap ako doon sa pag-English, and then sa panggabi, yung katawan, hindi ako sanay, kailangan mo sanay kasi yun nga, may trabaho ng panggabi. And yun lang.
Okay, sir. That's the last question. Thank you for your time, and I enjoyed it.
Thank you, sir.